side hustles that could change your guys' life, that you guys could even do at your house or even online. Let's see if I can make $99 in a single one video. This is hands down the best side hustle that I also recommend. It's like basically you guys could do weekly, monthly, and just start collecting some cans that you guys are drinking, some like Coca-Colas, water bottles, some bottles like glass bottles. If like any of your parents are drinking, you'd be drinking or anything like that, you start collecting them. So what I recommend you guys should be doing, so you guys don't gotta do it later, is that you guys should recycle them. So put like plastic bottles in a plastic bag or in a container, as you guys saw there. Sadly, we did not separate cans, plastics, and bottles separately. So now we're gonna doing it barely right now. That I recommend you guys doing, separating everything, so you guys don't gotta do it later. Right now, I'm separating all the glass bottles to the side so I can find a container to put them in so they don't break. So you guys see this bottle right here? It takes up way too much space. So what I recommend you guys doing is open the cap and let all the air by squeezing them so it can have more space, and you guys will fit up more money as well. So I'm putting away these cans right here. Make sure that they're all smashed up and everything. I asked one of my neighbors if we could borrow like some of his recyclings, and they said, oh, I have it all. So we just took it, and now we're doing it as well. So that's some extra cash to us. And they said that we keep the change as well. This side hustle should normally take 30 minutes to maximum an hour. Not even that long, you guys. It's a quick and easy side hustle. All you guys got to do after this is just go take it to inside a car and drive to the recycling center. So we just finished this whole entire row right here, all cans as well, and these are all glasses. To get the most money out of the side hustle, the recycling centers accept coupons. You guys, certain coupons go to certain places, like a certain recycling center will accept their coupons only, or some other ones as well. So you guys just gotta search up coupons for recycling center and try to search for the best one, like the best amount for everything that you guys are trying to recycle. The aluminum cans is $1.79 for one, and the other one is for $2. So the $2 one is the best option. So right now we're leaving the house, you guys. We're just packed it up inside the car. So now we just arrived at the place. Once you guys are here, you guys will see like these little baskets. You guys gotta put your plastics and everything else that you guys have, put it in there and separate everything. Then you guys are gonna take it up to the guy at the front and he weighs it. We made $81.91, you guys. Definitely recommend this side hustle. Alrighty, you guys, so the next side hustle is scanning receipts. You scan some of the receipts that I already got when I went to go and purchase some of my snacks, grocery shopping, and etc. You guys, it's pretty easy, you guys. You guys could go to the store like every once in a while, like buy some groceries, go and scan it, earn a few like cents or so. And once you guys like gather up like every probably like 10 receipts, maybe you probably buy like $5 gift card maybe. But let's go and see and download the app. So the app is called Fetch Rewards. I downloaded it in the past, but I haven't used it in a while. Deleted all my data, which just kind of sucks. Alright, so it just finished downloading. Oh yeah, earn more points, able that, yep. Alright, so they have all these like brands, offers, and everything. So you guys see here, the 9,000 hair products one. You guys could literally just scan that product that once you guys buy it, and then you guys will literally almost earn $10 gift card. Now let's go and get some money, you guys. So it's basically pretty easy. Depending on what products you guys buy, depending on the app, you guys can earn even more points. So I don't even know how old this is, but I'll just snap it, and then you guys just submit it up there. You guys just drag your finger up there, and then let's see how many points we get. Just from that one receipt, literally just got 25 points, you guys. Oh, then looks like we can spin a wheel. Let's see how many it gets. So you guys could literally get extra points. So in total, you guys, we just made 125 points, you guys, with a daily reward and a spinning bonus. So right now, I'm scanning all my other receipts. Another 25 points. The only con about this side hustle is that it may take too long for you guys, and that the receipts have to be less than 14 days old. As you guys can see, I literally had almost all my receipts as older than 14 days, you guys. Alrighty, so right now I just snapped this receipt, but I just stopped recording, you guys, and I just noticed it was the best receipt I could ever receive, you guys. It was literally 25,000 points, you guys. That's almost like a gift card, you guys. Here are some of the rewards that you guys could get. Some beauty products, Amazon, Xbox, Walmart, and there's a bunch more, you guys. So it's actually 12,500 points that you guys need to get a $10 gift card. That's the only con about the side hustle, you guys. It isn't really like, you guys would need to have like patience for the side hustle, you guys. It takes time, you guys. You can't just like, oh, I'm gonna make this real quick and easy, you guys. But you guys just need to take time. This isn't the only app that you guys would really need. I would recommend downloading these other apps as well. these 3 other apps right here, so you guys can even earn more money passively. If you guys like this video, make sure to go and watch this one right here and this other one that YouTube recommends you guys. Like and subscribe.